Assalamualaikum and a very good day to you all. In this video, I would like to share with you on how to integrate 0 and XO. I put constant only lah. X to the power of n and fx to the power of n, whereby fx is linear. Okay, so let's get started. Now, first thing first, when we differentiate k becomes 0. Okay, so when we differentiate k with respect to x, it will become 0. So what happen if we integrate 0 with respect to x? It will become 0, but we need to plus c. Why c? Because we are doing indefinite integral. There's no upper and lower limit on top and below, beneath the integral sign. That's why we have to put the plus c. Okay, so that's it. Integration of 0 with respect to x is 0 plus c. Okay, let's move on to the next one. X to the power of n. So we have x to the power of n. Okay, so we differentiate with respect to x. We differentiate xn to with respect to x. What we do? Simple. We multiply the power. Okay, and then the power minus 1. So we multiply everything by n, the power, and then the power minus 1. It is when we differentiate. So if we want to integrate, okay, if we want to integrate xn with respect to x, okay, xn with respect to x, what we have to do is we just turn this, the last process as the first one for the integration process. So the one that I box is the last process, right? Power minus 1, and then we turn it another way around. So what we do is we power plus 1, okay, and then what's left? This one. Multiply the power, right? For this one, not multiply. We divide the power plus 1. Okay, so what happened is x n plus 1, and then we take the power, we divide n plus 1. Don't forget plus c lah. Okay, so from here, from the process, we know integration of xn with respect to x is xn plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. Okay, so the next one, let's move on to the next one. Okay, the next form is something in the form of fx. Fx means a function lah, with a power outside of the bracket. So when we differentiate this, we want to differentiate the whole thing with respect to x, which is fx power n. Okay, what we do is we multiply with the power n, okay, and then copy paste the function lah, and then copy paste with power pula n minus 1, and then we multiply by the differentiate of the function. That is why when we differentiate this kind of function, we will write it as n multiply, copy paste everything, fx with the power less by 1, and then we multiply by the differentiation of fx. Okay, that's why we make it nice. We get n f prime x, because differentiation of fx is f prime, and then fx power n minus 1. So this is the final version of the differentiation lah. if we differentiate. So what happens if we are going to integrate everything with respect to x for this type of function? Now, as I said in the previous video, integration is just the reverse process of derivative or differentiation. Yeah. So we are turning the latest process become the first process over here. Just now we are multiplying the differentiate of the fx, right? Now we divide by the differentiate of fx. Okay. But before that, before I forget, make sure the fx here is linear. Make sure it's linear. Yellow cannot see. Okay. Make sure this one, these two, the one that we want to integrate inside the bracket of n, make sure it is linear. If it's not, then it's a different one. I will cover in the in different video. Okay. So this is the first process, comma. Okay, what is the second one? This one. Just now we copy paste n plus 1, right? Now we copy paste, turn it another way around. N plus 1. Okay, now. And then last but not least, we multiply n. This one, we divide by n plus 1. Okay. Okay, so what should we do? Yalah, correct lah. Okay, so we just follow the step lah. Okay, so what we get is we divide everything, the fx, we divide by the differentiation of fx. Okay, and then copy paste. Okay, copy paste means copy paste lah. Copy paste fx with the power plus 1, and then we divide another n plus 1. That's why we get something like this. And then if we are going to simplify it further, we will get fx n plus 1 over f prime, f prime x multiplied by n plus 1. Okay, so the integration of fx power of n with respect to x, make sure this is linear, is fx n plus 1 divide by that, and then n plus 1 plus c lah. Okay, so since this is linear, okay, the derivative of f is a constant. Okay, so for this, in this context, this integration is remain true lah. Okay, so I think that's all for the first 3 types. Okay, maybe we do some exercise, some example. Okay, so let's integrate 3 with respect to x. Okay, now this one doesn't fit in the first one because it's not 0. Not the third one because it's not a function with power n. It is the second one, but you cannot see the x, right? Why? Because the 3 is x power 0. Okay, so since we can see it's x power 0, so it's just essentially x power n lah. So what we do in x power n, we plus the power, so x 0 plus 1, and then we divide the new power, or 3 bring outside lah. Okay, like that. Like that. Sorry, I integrate already. Okay, put like that. Okay, plus c, so it's 3x plus c. Okay, so that's the first one. Okay, now next one, 2x plus 1 power 3 with respect to x. Okay, how are we going to integrate this one? This is the third form. Okay, because this is linear. Okay, and then we have a power of n. So what we do, Okay, we divide by the differentiation of 2x plus 1. Okay, and then we copy paste with the power plus 1. Why n? 3 lah, right? And then we divide one more time by the new power. Okay, forget the c, sorry. So we simplify it further. This one 4 divide. This one is 2. This one is berapa ni? 4 4 plus c. Okay, and then 2x plus 1, 4 over 8 plus c. Okay, as simple as that. Okay, maybe one more example. Integrate x to let's see, 1 over third x. Okay, now this is not the first one, this is not the second one because there's no bracket or something like that. Maybe it's the second one, but it's not in the form of x power something, right? So we have to force this thing and turn it to become like this. So what we can do is we change the third symbol here to become 1. Integrate 1 over, and then the third symbol is power 1 over 2, right? And then this one is not yet x to the power of n, and then we bring it upstairs, but with the condition we change the power become negative. This one, then we can apply the second rule. So what we do, okay, just plus the power by 1 and then divide by the new power. Just copy paste lah, and then plus c, of course, don't forget. And then make it nice, 1 over 2, and then this is minus half, I guess. Oh no, half. Okay, plus c. Okay, and then we simplify it. So 2x power half plus c. Okay, so this is, I think that's all. The example. Thank you for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum. Have a good day.